As darkness nears, Lord, with me abide. When kindness fears and comforts flee, your presence near, abide with me. Your presence near, abide with me. I need thy presence every passing hour. What by thy grace can foil the tempter's power? For like you, Lord, my stay can be. Through cloud and sun, abide in me. Through cloud and sun, abide with me. I fear no foe with thee at hand to bless. Ills have no weight and tears no bitterness. Where is this sting? Where is grace's victory? I triumph still if thou abide with me. Hold now thy cross before my closing eyes. Shine through the dim and point me to the skies. Light splendor falls, earth shadows flee. In life, in death, abide with me. In life, in death, Lord, abide in me. Abide